so many years, I've seen the growth of this group from a very humble beginning, awards after awards, year after year, and nakakatuwa. Walang sawa yung upline nyo sa pag-create ng mga ganitong recognition. So at this point, palakpakan naman natin si Kuya E. Not every upline can do something like this. I've seen a lot of leaders probably having bigger groups than the group of Kuya E, pero walang ganitong recognition. Kasi there are different types of leaders. May mga leaders na magaling mag-influence but they're not dynamic organizers. May mga leaders na drivers but they're not good influencer and they're not dynamic organizers. The good thing with the leadership of Kuya E rolled into one. Driver of the organization, influencer, and one of the best dynamic organizers. That's why you have events like this. So, pasalamat kayo. Sabi ko nga, sa ibang group, walang ganito. Mas malak. Tama. For some other groups, nag-aantay. Si upline, wala pang ginagawa eh. Yung upline, inaasa rin sa upline. Yung upline nakadirect yung company, wala pang ginagawa eh. So, inaasa sa company yung events like this. So, very seldom you will see a leader na may initiative to do something like this. The reason why you have recognition like this is not just to recognize kung sino yung mga performing leaders, but basically for you to see what is it like to be recognized, what is it like that your group would see you being recognized, and is your work worthy of recognition. Baka somewhere along the way may natatapakan kang tao. Baka somewhere along the way may natatapakan policy. But the reality is, whether you do the business or not, whether inside this company or outside, people will always see you and people will always recognize you. Depende nga lang kung paano mag-recognize. What does it mean? He is caring for his group so much, just like the company is caring for each and every one of you. Bihira yung ganun. And sa mga sinabi nga na kanina, I suppose, ramdam nyo naman yung pagod niya. Pinupuntahan kayo as far as Jensen, as far as Palawan, Cagayan de Oro, when in fact, I know for a fact na yung mga leaders naman sa Jensen, magagaling na eh. Yung mga leaders sa Palawan, okay na yan eh. Yung mga leaders sa Iligan, malulupit na kayo, halimaw na eh. Pwede na nga kayo hindi babaan ni Kuya E. Tama o tama? In fact, pwede na nga kayo hindi babaan ng mga uplines nyo eh. Why? Because you were trained to be the best. Nino. Yeah. Kaya kung babalikan nila kayo, be thankful. Leverage ang business natin. If you're trained, if you're at your best, if you're at your peak, pwede ka nang hindi babaan ni upline. Alam mo na lahat eh. Siguro every now and then, matext ka, be thankful. Every now and then, masagot yung tawag mo, be thankful. Why? Kaya mo na on your own. At kung kaya mo na on your own, every time you go to sleep, you pray for that person. Because you were trained to be good, you were trained to be at your best, you were trained to be at your peak. Salamat upline, you trained me, pinalago mo ko, pinakawalan mo ko early on. Pinakawalan mo enough to realize that I can do it on myself, by myself, with the guidance of the company, with the guidance of the training team, with the guidance of my other uplines. The problem with other leaders, masyadong nakahang-on kay upline. Marunong ka na mag-present, marunong ka na mag-duplicate, marunong ka na mag-NDO. Upline, tulungan mo ako. Kaya ka minsan hindi lumalago. Masyado ka nakadikit kay upline. Every now and then, you test yourself. Gumawa ka ng schedule without your upline's knowledge. Magsalita ka without your upline's knowledge. You develop your group without your upline's knowledge. Because at times, the only way for you to grow is by detaching from your upline. Sabi ni Kuya E, hindi niya alam kung hanggang kailan siya. Kasi maiksi nga lang ang buhay. How I wish there will come a time you will have your own group. Iimbitahan mo si Kuya E. Sasabihin mo, Kuya E, meron kaming Thanksgiving sa Sofitel. May Thanksgiving kami sa Manila Hotel. May Thanksgiving kami sa EDSA Shangri-La Hotel. Si Kuya Ina lang ang guest of honor. Why? Because you were trained by the best. You now have your own group that you can organize something like this on your own. In Jensan, in Palawan, in Cebu, in Iligan, kaya nyo na yan. Parang magulang, hindi habang buhay. Nandiyan dyan. Hindi habang buhay kapag tinext mo, kasama mo. Hindi habang buhay pag nagaya ka manood ng sine, kasama mo. Enjoy this time na nakakasama nyo siya. Because there will come a time, I guarantee you, you will be so busy with your own group. Yung nararamdaman niya, mararamdaman nyo rin. Kaya pala minsan si Kuya Ing hindi makapag-reply kasi walang load. Nabiro lang. Kaya pala hindi makapag-reply kasi sobrang busy. Ayun, na-experience ko na rin, no? Paggising pa lang sa umaga, si kwentang text na. Pagbukas ko pa lang ng Facebook, grabe, 20 messages na. Pagsagot pa lang, pag-reply pa lang, 2-3 oras na, ubos na oras mo. If you're gonna do the business properly, if you apply what you have learned from the company, from your uplines, you will experience the same thing. And you will remember this day. With the relationship that He established with you, treasure that. Because there will come a time, maaalala mo to. Ginawa sa akin ni Kuya ito eh. I should do it also to my downlines. Tinuro sa akin to eh. I should also duplicate this to my growing downlines. And once you did that, pag nag-cross ang landas yun ni Kuya E, you can always smile and say, Kuya E, thank you. Lahat ng tinuro mo, nagawa ko na. Masaya na ako, mag-reply ka o hindi. Mag-text ba ka o hindi. I'm just letting you know that I'm okay. And I have my own group. And I'm proud. For once in my life, I was mentored by Kuya E. My question right now, tulad ng tinatanong ko sa mga nagiging milyonaryo, are you ready for success? Are you guys ready for success? Because if you're ready for success, if all of you, from this end, to that table, to those people seated there, if you're ready for success, look at them. Please look at them. Ganyan kakulay ang magiging mundo nyo sa Alliance in Motion Global. Guys, thank you very much. God bless each and every one of you. God bless your group. God bless each and every vision that you have. And therefore, you too will also be blessed. Because we're blessing other people, we're touching other people's lives, to our products, to our business. And at the end of the day, we keep them safe. We give them an option of having a healthy life and a better future. Guys, on that note, God bless each and every network of yours. God bless our country, the Philippines. God bless AIM Global. Thank you very much.